What's up? Alexo Crypto here with a new strategy. Just looking at the Vwap flip flop, good old market cipher B strategy. Now, I wanted to bring this to your guys' attention. Now, I love this little hint in order to be confluence in all my short-term trades. Now, jump on to the 12-minute time frame, one of my favorite time frames, and we can look here of how the Vwap flop, changes direction and gives us some pretty nice trade setups. Now, on the 12-minute, what I'm talking about here is the Vwap down below here. Now, a lot of people on their market cipher settings, you see this yellow line here, on their market cipher settings, they have it as a full out area. Okay, now this area is hard to read and it gets cluttered in with my money flow. So I like to switch this to a line, just a personal preference. You can see with the area, the yellow down below here, it does look a lot more cleaner, but it is overcrowding a lot of things. So I switch it to a line and I watch it all the time for when it crosses the zero line. Now you can see the zero line here, and the flip flop is in between the zero line here, and we have beautiful areas that I have gone out and marked for you guys here, and you can see that all the times the Vwap has flopped. Okay, now all the darker boxes here are down moves. Okay, and you can see boom, Vwap flop down, another 2% gain. Another one here, boom, 2% gain. Now this hits quite often and quite hard. And if you do measure these out, when the Vwap does flop, vice versa, from long to short, you can see that there are some beautiful gains to be had throughout the market here. So if you are a short-term trader like I am a lot of the time, where I like to get into these entries, see the Vwap flop, and extract profits and pay myself and let the rest of the trade ride, this is a very strong strategy to add to your repertoire. Now you can see if we go back here and we look, we can see the Vwap flops all throughout. Let's go to here. You can see it crosses over down below, boom, down below. If we mark out vertical lines here, we can see where the Vwap flops happen, and you can see that they cross over and boom, these are all drops within the market. Okay, so as we go throughout our chart, we can mark these out and we can simply see that when we look at these in these areas, that price is dropping quite significantly and running. Okay, it is running, so this can give you some pretty nice trade entries. You look for one here, big sharp move to the upside. Now the better indication when we zoom here and we lengthen this out is we want to see steep inclines. Okay, steep inclines or steep downclines like this. You see how steep these are? When they're very gradual, you don't see as big of moves. Okay, when it works its way slowly but surely, which you see on the longer term time frames, you see that it doesn't play out that well. So you need to be aware that you can't just trade these setups. You got to look at the trend. You got to look at what's going on with the market and how it's behaving. You can see right here, crossover to the downside, beautiful 2% gain. So market cipher B, Vwap, this is how I like to use the Vwap. I look for the flop, vice versa, from high to low across the zero line, and that can give us some nice short-term entries over time. So I hope this helps. Add the Vwap to your repertoire. Hopefully you can get some good juicy trades out of this. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, bringing you market cipher, trading mindset, trading psychology, live updates all the time. So thank you so much for joining us. Much love, God bless, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.